sir. Good evening, friends. Today I am going to give the seminar on cyber security or network security. Nowadays we are seeing the unsecured network and unsecured internet through. Recently we are seeing phone tapping and hacking of Facebook accounts. Like that, we don't have security in network or in internet. So the network security means network means the interconnection of any things, that means interconnection of computers and any devices. Security means the protection afforded to any system. So we are afforded from any information system of any organization. We are having some three network security aspects. That is CI triad. C means confidentiality. I means integrity. A means available. So what is confidentiality? Confidentiality means the users are so many users are there. So the users who are genuine, they can only having the access to the data. That is example taking some grade system of students. Of RGKT students. Suppose we are checking the results of RGKT site. We are having some secureable ID and password. So through that unique ID and password, we are only having the right to access the data. So that these are very confidential, right? So that whoever genuine who are right to access the data, they can only see the data. So that is confidentiality. So next one is integrity. Integrity means we are sending the information from A to B. Whatever the information sending from the A, that is obtained by the B. That is, for example, we are taking patient information system in hospital. Suppose one patient is having some heart related problem and some patient having some lungs or kidneys related problem. So this information system is monitoring by some doctors. So the information until the cure of the patient, it would not be changed. So whatever the data until the last, the data should not be changed. That is integrity. So finally availability. Availability means whenever we require the data, whenever we need the data, in that situation only we are using this availability. That is confidentiality, integrity and availability. These are the main three aspects of network security. Network security. It's not so simple. It's a very hard than a human problem than a technological problem. And it's very hard to detect any security and it is very hard to detect any attack. So what are the main themes in network security? First one is security attacks. Second one is security mechanism. Third one is security services. Security attack means the way the attacker or hacker to hacking on the information system. So the attacks can be like inactive attacks or passive attacks. Active attack means the attacker can attack on any information system without any disturbance or without any loss of the system particles. That is, there is no loss on the active attacks and passive attacks. Before going to active attack, passive attack, we are having three terms in network security. That is threat and vulnerabilities, threat and attack. So what is threat? Threat is means threat is means that it's a possible action to violate the network system of security. So it's one of the possibility. It's not a action. It's a possible danger to violate the security of information in any organization. That is threat. Attack means it is act of attack to violate the system of information in any organization. So we are having different types of vulnerabilities. The accesses, cross scripting, and SQL injection. By using this SQL injection, we are hacking on the database of any system through receive them some usernames and password. We can attack any websites or like that. And coming to what are the different types of passive attacks? Passive attack means traffic analysis. And second one is release of message contents. So traffic announcements, these are depend upon the different types of hosts, how many hosts are in the domain, and by using the port numbers, the traffic analysis should be going on. Release of message contents means suppose we are sending information from A to B. Whatever the message is sent by the A, it should be over an internet. It should be seen by some attacker like B. He should release some message content to. It's a confidential matter, right? So that it should be released by someone. This is the passive attacks. And active attacks are 4 types. First one is masquerade attack. Second one is replay attack. Third one is mod. And last one is denial of service attack. Denial of service attack means the entire communication system over an internet. The service is provided by some server. The attacker can attack on the respected service provider. This means the denial of service attack. That's about attacks and security system. And next we have some security services like X.800 and RFC 2828. These are the main aspects of introduction of network security. That's it.
Okay, thank you.